Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my HOBONICHI cousin for the week of March 20th through to the 26th. And I'm using the honey supplemental and deco sheets from Let's Plan It. Let's get started. I'm definitely feeling a little bit better than last week, so yay for that. Okay, first things first. Do I want to put this up at the top like this? Maybe. I feel like I have to do this properly though. See, this was the thing. When I used to have the Happy Planner, I could just take the page out. With the HOBONICHI, you have to move the whole book. Oh, that's pretty already. Am I still in frame? Yes. And then this one, the B, I almost feel like it should go here so that they're on opposite ends, or do I want to put one here? No, I will put this here. And then put this sweeter than honey stings like a bee. You know, it is my birthday week. My birthday's on the 26th of March, and I should, is that gonna go there? Okay. Yes. Yes. What was I saying? I don't know. Yeah, 26th of March, and that's also when we leave for vacation, which I'm very excited about. Oh, look at that cute little bee. And that cute little bee. Actually, I feel like that's almost too big. It needs to be, oh, I love all these. I love getting just the deco and the supplement sheets from Let's Plan It, because I don't use the full kits. I don't, because I like just using the deco. And I think that's what I'm gonna do here at the bottom for meals, is just place this here. And that's just gonna be the separation for where my meals are gonna go. I'll do the same thing here. And probably more so down this way. I need just 2, 3, 4, okay. Oh, I like it. And then adding some of this. These are so cute. Oh my God, that's adorable. Yes. And that's my last day of work before vacation. I will put a little in here. Oh, I love it. Love it already. I'm not normally into like things that are like this, but the deco in here is beautiful. So, and be kind. I love that. All right, so I think that's good for now. I'm gonna go ahead and do the sidebar. So for the sidebar, I'm gonna take my Tombow Food No Skate brush pen and brush letter in the word sleep. And I'm going to actually take my iris swatches because the yellow and the pink match perfectly. And if you don't have a Tombow color in that, this works perfectly as well. But what ink color? I think I'm gonna use my pastel primary manipulation. It has Colorverse Brunch Date in here. And I have a thing right now for rusty pinks, and Colorverse Brunch Date as well as Teranishi Opera Rose are my 2 favorites, but I do have my cart loaded at Van Ness for 8 different inks, and I think 5 of them are dusty pink or in that range. So I know what I like. And then underneath that, I'm gonna put Workout. Although I probably won't be starting any workout programs this week. It will really just be doing my stepper. And I love my indoor stepper. I talk about it every week, but I love my indoor stepper. So do I have the running icon? I haven't pulled one for myself, but I'll just do the weights here. I'm thinking for vacation, I'm gonna bring maybe like a resistance band and see if I can do some cardio while I'm away, but we'll see. So then I'm gonna write in the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh, perfect. Monday. And then as the week goes on, I will write in what I've done, or maybe how many steps I've done. Love it. I'm gonna add a little something here for decoration, just making sure that you can see that, because there is that little space and it feels a little blank without it. And I feel like that's the perfect place for the bee. All right, let's zoom out. So far, I love it, but I feel like it needs something here. So, let's take this one and add that across. I honestly can't believe our vacation is already, I'm planning for the week that we're leaving. Like, this trip has been a long time coming. We were supposed to go in April of 2020, obviously COVID. And then last year we went on the cruise with my family, so we had to save for that. So now we're finally going on this trip. And I have to say, because of my sticker shop and the support that you guys have given me in my sticker shop, I've been able to splurge on a few things. You know, I've splurged on a chocolate and pastry tasting and walking tour in Paris. I am so excited for that. One there. Oh, tweezers. This is why I have tweezers. I got so out of practice using tweezers, but now. Oh, cute. All right, so then during the week, I'm gonna go in here with my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen and just letter in the word work. I know I could use my stickers, but sometimes I like being able to letter the words in myself because it gives me practice. And I haven't been hand lettering or brush lettering as much as I used to. So, okay, I could use this. So again, using my iris swatches. And I really love how these swatches can be used in, whoops. Yeah, I'm gonna use just the yellow and the pink. Oh, and you know what I'm also gonna use? My laptop mini icons, which I had so much fun drawing the icons. They were not as intimidating as I thought they would be, but they were so fun to create. So there's the mini ones, and look at how teeny tiny they are. Actually, no, these are mini. I think I will eventually try to do teeny tiny where it fits into just this 0.5 millimeter grid. It is 0.5, right? Hold on. Now I have to measure. No, it's not. It's like 0.4, 0.3 millimeter grid. So if I can get something to fit in there, that will be the teeny tiny icons instead of mini. Because you guys have seen me plan, and I always found icons just that bit too big for me. I like things to fit just in that hour time block. So this, selfishly, I made these because I wanted them to be the size I wanted. So now I'm gonna go in here. I'm actually gonna use my Platinum 3776 because it has Palette Iroshizuku Takesumi in here, and just draw in my work shifts. And that little hour block is when I go to pick up my kids. So I don't know if you guys remember, but I'm now working 4 10-hour days, and I actually really like it. Because before I was starting right at 10 and going straight into meetings. And I didn't have enough time to check emails or get my head into it, and that was giving me a lot of anxiety. But now I have like an hour and a half before I even have a meeting, and by that point my head is clear, my to-do list is, or my email is all done. So I feel so much better about that. Okay, so the kids have a full day of school on the Thursday, and then, okay, no, before I even do that, let's go over here. So I still actually have a small grocery order to do, basically because there's a big party on Friday, and just to order a few snacks. So do I want to go get it with? No, it's not even going to be a meal plan. It's going to be a to-do, and things I'm going to work on that day are orders and order groceries. Then for Tuesday, we will put out the garbage bins on Tuesday night. See, look at how perfectly that fits in there. Put out garbage. Wednesday, nothing. Thursday is when my husband will go pick up the groceries. I don't know how big of an order it is going to be, but we're having family over on Friday night for my birthday. Plus we want to order some things for our trip. So I don't know. I'm still going to write pick up groceries here, but it may end up being canceled depending on how many things we actually have to pick up. Then on Friday, here we go. Friday, grabbing an exclamation mark here, because there's weigh-in. I love how that fits in there. So 10 o'clock at Weight Watchers. One weigh-in before I go on vacation. I feel like there's other stuff that needs to be done on that day. I cannot remember. Then that evening, we are having my birthday party. So I don't have a fork and knife icon yet, but I hope to soon. So let's say for 5. And my birthday party. With family. Okay, then I need to, Saturday's gonna be a busy day as well, because I will have to be doing laundry. I'll probably have to be doing some laundry that night too, and then folding it there. And then I'm gonna put another heart because there's 2 things. And I don't have, I'm still working on all the icons that I could possibly have. So I'm gonna put here 9 o'clock is a cleaner. We're having the cleaner come to our house because I like to have the house clean before we leave so we don't have to clean it when we get back, or clean it as much when we get back. And then after I have brunch with friends. So one of the things I forgot to put is that I will have to pick up the kids at that time, and I will have filming to do. That is going to be a busy day because I have a list of things to film that I don't know if I'm going to still do that and that. Yeah. And the progress report. I'm gonna have to look at my list and probably have to film it over the week rather than just save it all for Friday. And although I could do some on Saturday too. So, but anyway, and then pick up the kids, and then I will probably take them for bubble tea for lunch that day, actually. So let me grab other icons here to see. Oh, no. So I'm gonna grab my YouTube and probably do some filming here. So film. I'm gonna leave that blank for now because I'm sure it's gonna be a big list. And then I'm going to put the laundry, you know what, I can put it in first thing on Saturday, and then I will probably fold laundry in the afternoon, and then I'm gonna pack. Yes, I am leaving packing to last minute because we don't actually leave until Sunday afternoon. Okay, I know to other people, they're like, why are you pushing it? Because I like to. So I will put, let's say 3 o'clock. Folding laundry and then packing. Fold laundry and pack. And then I might have to do some filming in there as well. We'll see. And then I'm just gonna leave that as is. And then after this video, I will put our flight details in here. But, oh, wow. Yes, it seems very blank, but it is definitely gonna fill up as the week goes on. And then I won't be filming a week's video for the 26th or the 2nd because I won't be using my planners on those days, but I will still film this week and this week in advance so that it's all decorated before we go, and that way I don't have to worry about it. All right, it's a bit of a mess, but there I am. So that is it for the haphazard plan with me. It is my birthday on the 26th, which I'm very excited about. Yeah, I'm sure I'm going to have to, when I do my daily journal, have bigger lists in terms of what to pack and things like that. But now I'm just excited. Now that I'm planning this week and knowing that that's happening, I am getting very excited. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.